Okay, hey. Got the remote shops thing. I only slid it from the back and didn't open it. I wanted to make it easier. And I wanted to do it in here also for people who watch my other my vehicle watch channel. I couldn't get that panel in like here. And I got it at the place where I get my mail and all that. So anyway, here's the cord, and the stuff. Okay, let me see if I got all of it. Looks like I did. Huh? Yeah, wait. Where's the... Oh, God. Can you tell me the other one didn't fall out? Did I not get that one? Oh, my God, here it is. Okay, so first, we have the morale patch, and it says with, let's go back, with hidden pocket. I'm going to use this. I'm actually going to use this as is, because I'm pretty sure I'm going to use whatever, you know. Then, I'm going to show you, I'm going out of order. We have log cabin fire instruction cord. Okay. Then we have grasshopper, which, honestly, I will actually use this. Because, yes, I know grasshoppers are considered meat or whatever, but I don't care. Let me do that so we can get more better. Yeah. Okay, so you see that? How that is like that? That's artifacting. In case y'all wondering. Wait. Actually, according to this, I should have showed you the grasshopper than the log cabin. Let me say, this is actually a pretty nice morale pack. Actually, you know what? Let me open it. Now, you may hear a little bit of whatever. But that's neighbors and all that. Doing whatever. That's a nice morale patch. And honestly, this will actually go with the hidden woodsman thing I have. See if I can get this open. Come on. Okay. As you see, right here, pocket. So yeah, I'm going to use this, to be honest. Now, the neighbors are... Okay, so by the way, I'm trying to work on doing that temperature. And wipe my face off with the wipe. So yeah. And then, the big ticket item. Sewing kit repair cord. Is this one of those things that you rip out a seam? And, you know, anyway, honestly, these could be used as lows in an emergency situation. These could be used for suturing, and so could these. Plus, as you see, it has a thing to put the cords, or things on. Okay, so I'm not gonna even try to read this, because honestly, you could probably use this as a spool too, if need be. And yeah, it comes with a 50% off code for the bottle and can opener dog tag, which I will be using, to be honest. So yeah, as you see, that pretty cool. Anyway. I'm actually happy, especially because since this is something that's going in my pocket automatically, honestly. So my bushcraft kit, I do have all that cool stuff. So anyway, hope you all enjoy this. I did. Peace.